पप्पू पप्पू Who killed him?
It was me.
What?
Where is he?
What are you talking about?
Remember Prabha Devi? Prabha Devi?
What about her?
That's it.
Chomsky is a great philosopher. He is
अमेरिका मैंने बीमे में लेके गलती किया.
Then why did you come here? Huh? Hey, aren't you getting late for exam?
हाँ.
Get ready fast, otherwise you will get late.
I am going.
Write properly.
Hello Prabha Devi.
You guys again?
Sign this.
How many times I will tell you? I won't sign this.
Hello Chadda sir. Hello.
hiding out. Let us move.
Sorry.
It's in his diary.
No.
what a painful death.
Yeah, sir. He has been hit with the stone very hard. Nobody could have survived.
Kaude, did you recognize them?
Yes sir. I recognize them.
This is Tiger and Pappu. They are political workers. They both work for MJP.
MJP. Okay.
In both the cases, I don't think any weapons has been used. He has been killed by stone. He has been choked to death.
And also one thing, they both are murdered same one time. Yes. Also the wound is fresh.
So I have found this mobile phone. It can be either of them.
Anything suspicious?
Yes, sir. The last call was dialed to Mr. Chadda.
Mr. Chatta, the businessman.
Yes, it's him.
Sir, I think his life must be in danger. I think you're right. Let's move. You send the bodies to postmortem.
Right, sir.
Don't come late today.
Okay.
Who are you? Sir, I'm Prakash Mhatre from CVI. Your life is in danger. What? Excuse me. My battery is low. Can I use your cell phone? Oh, thank you.
Sir, I came to know that your life is in danger and I'm here to protect you. Kill me? Who?
Sir, we don't know exactly who, but we will find soon.
Sir, you cannot go out. We will assign you the security at your home.
Who the hell are you? What do you want from me?
Just shut up!
Okay. Excuse me. Hello.
Your daughter is with me. Save her, if you can.
What? Simu?
Stop the father.
Hello, Daddy. Daddy, please get me out of here.
Simu? Simu, can you hear me?
Daddy.
Get her. They will get you. I must go now.
What must be the matter? Simu? Madhuri, my daughter has been kidnapped. What?
Gaude, trace the location. Do it fast.
Hello, control room. Confirm this call.
Do it fast.
Sir, job done. Location has been tracked. It is nearby.
You guys move to location and find his daughter. Sir, now you could go home and we'll solve the matter and let you know.
I will go from the elevator, you go from the stairs. Hello, Mhatre. What is the status? Did you find my daughter? Tell me if you know the kidnapper is, okay? Prabhat Devi. Remember? Do you remember? Yes, I remember. It was you who wanted the land. You kill people just for nothing. Shut up! Just tell me, where is he? He? Who he? Who are you talking about? Stop the bullshit! Tiger told me that you are there. Where is Adam?
What's the matter? Hello? Hello, sir?
I'm sorry. Tiger must have lied. I really don't know where he is. This sorry won't save his life. Your time is up.
What's the matter? Hello?
You rascal!
Oh shit.
Wake up,
Sir, who was he?
I have no idea. I was searching for something in that diary.
Who the hell are you?
I'm CBI officer. I'm here to save you.
One page missing.
Hello?
Hello sir, we have found Chadda's daughter. She is safe.
Listen carefully. Reach sector 33 as soon as possible.
Sector 33.
Krishna Jaiswal is in danger.
We have to go sector 33.
Say daughter is safe and she's in police custody.
Can I meet her?
Not right now. This for security reasons, sir, and you have to come with us. Let's move. Chadda sir, she is not ready to sign the agreement. We have a problem.
We need that piece of land. Just get the signature. If you don't get the signature, kill that lady. Make sure that she doesn't get up again.
Okay sir, I will do it for you. Prabha Devi. Get in, mister. You will be safe here. What's up?
Sir, how come you're here, Chadda? When will I get out of this? Go down.
Your life is in danger, sir.
What?
Not to worry, sir. We have surrounded this godown and the search operation is in progress. Now I have to proceed. Jai Hind.
What the hell was he talking about? Danger to my life? Who is he? Huh?
Sir, he's Prabha Devi's son.
Prabhat Devi's son? Oh damn.
Yeah, and I think he wants to kill you.
Kill me? No way.
Don't worry. Mathre's men are behind him. He will be caught.
Vijay, you are angel of death.
Why do you want to kill me?
You are the man behind my sister's death.
Kill that lady.
My mother wouldn't be hospital if it wasn't for you. Sorry Vijay beta. Just tell me, what do you want? I only want one thing. Your life. Well done, officer. Come back. What are you doing, huh? You can kill me? People like you and that damn Prabha Devi. You are nothing but crap.
You got away once, not this time. I have enough money to buy your life. And your death.
Yes, I asked them to kill your sister and Prabha Devi. It's a mistake that she survived. What?
We kill hundreds like you every day. You are worth nothing.
The system, force, law and order bends to my will. You remember that.
Officer, arrest him. You can buy anything, Vishwanath, but you cannot buy the truth. Truth doesn't go where the port is. No matter who you are. My mother hasn't talked to me from 2 years. You destroyed my life. You killed Disha. You destroyed my family. You destroyed my reason to live. You think you can just do what you want to do with the power you have, the man you hired, or the influence you have managed. But how will you influence the truth? You are implicit. You can force the law and the court and even buy the whole system. But if you think you will get away for what you have done, then you are certainly wrong. Stop! What the hell was this? You'll pay for this, you useless officer! Oh sir, what have you done?
A lie is not a lie if it reveals the truth. How are you? Why are you worried? Your mom will be discharged soon.
Are you here to arrest me?
Don't worry. I'm not here to arrest you.
What about the crime I have committed?
You fought for the common man against the force which is undefeatable. What you did has reason behind it, while they had evil intentions. I realized you had no option but to go for the kill, which I don't see as a crime. Nobody knows who you are. Neither do I. I'm leaving you this time. Dare you commit a crime again. Okay? Hope we never meet again. Goodbye.